Should you pay $20 per month for ChatGPT-4? Is the $20 monthly subscription worth it for GPT-4? Let's take a look at some examples and see if you get good value for the money. In this video, we have some examples of GPT-3 and GPT-4. Let's see how it compares. First scenario, recipes. The scenario is, show me the recipe of samosa in 5 lines where every word starts with a. GPT-3. Absolutely. All right. Here's an appetizing 5-line recipe for samosas with alliteration. Add together flour, ajwain seeds, and oil to make a dough. Afterwards, allow it to rest for an hour. After, add allspice, amchur powder, and any veggies you want to include in the filling. Ascertain that the filling is completely cool before stuffing it inside the dough. Adequately seal the samosas and air fry or deep fry them until golden brown. Arrange on a plate with chutney and enjoy your amazing appetizer alliteratively. GPT-4. Acquire all-purpose atta appropriate aloo, ample ajwain. Arrange aloo, add assorted aromatic additions. Assemble atta, add ajwain amalgamated depthly. Apportion aloo, artfully affix atta, adeptly air fry, achieve appetizing amuse bouch. In this case, it's clear that GPT-4 did a better job and was more efficient. Second scenario, options for start times for employee availability. The scenario is, Andrew is free from 11 am to 3 p.m., Joanne is free from noon to 12 p.m. and then 3:30 p.m. to 5 p.m. Hannah is available at noon for half an hour, and then 4 p.m. to 6 p.m. What are some options for start times for a 30-minute meeting for Andrew, Hannah, and Joanne? GPT-3. To find a start time for a 30-minute meeting that works for Andrew, Joanne, and Hannah, we need to identify a time slot that overlaps for all 3 individuals. Here are some options. Option 1. Start the meeting at 4:00 p.m. This works for Hannah and Joanne, and Andrew is free from 3:00 p.m. to 4:00 p.m., so he can join the meeting 10 minutes late and still attend half of it. Option 2. Start the meeting at 11:30 am. This works for Andrew and Hannah, and Joanne is free from noon to 2:00 p.m., so she can join the meeting at 12:00 p.m. Option 3. Start the meeting at 3:30 p.m. This works for Joanne and Andrew, and Hannah is free from 4:00 p.m. to 6:00 p.m., so she can join the meeting 30 minutes late and still attend half of it. Option 4. Start the meeting at 12:30 p.m. This works for Hannah and Joanne, and Andrew is free from 11:00 am to 3:00 p.m., so he can attend the meeting during his free time. GPT-4. Given the availability of Andrew, Joanne, and Hannah, the following options are suitable for a 30-minute meeting. 12:00 p.m., 12:30 p.m., noon, all 3 are available at this time. 2:30 p.m., 3:00 p.m., Andrew and Joanne are available, and Hannah can join just after her 2 p.m. commitment. This second answer is wrong. Joanne is not available from 2:30 to 3 p.m. Feedback can be given to the chatbot to tell it it's wrong. GPT-4 has the ability to correct itself. Third scenario, writing a poem about the Avengers movies. When it came to writing poems about the Avengers, GPT-4 performed better. There are more parameters for GPT-4, but OpenAI has not revealed this information yet. GPT-4 was a little better at answering puzzles presented. GPT-3 gave a wrong answer to a puzzle, and GPT-4 also had a wrong answer saying a puzzle was a negative result. GPT-4 can be wrong. You cannot blindly trust the AI. Overall, GPT-4 seems to be a more sophisticated AI. However, is it worth paying money for yet? In my opinion, it is not yet worth paying money for.